Two-factor authentication not working on Moneyfarm App Fix. If you can't get your two-factor authentication to work on the Moneyfarm app, don't panic. This issue is much more common than you'd expect. The good news: it's almost always fixable in just a few steps. First, check your device's time settings. Go to your phone settings and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication depends on your device and Moneyfarm's servers being perfectly in sync. Even a tiny time mismatch can make your code invalid. Next, open the App Store or Google Play and update your Moneyfarm app. Older versions may not communicate properly with authentication servers, especially after new security patches. If you're not getting your verification code via text, try turning off Wi-Fi and using mobile data. Some networks, especially when using a VPN, can block or delay automated SMS messages. Switching networks can solve this instantly. If you use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy, check its internal time sync. In your authenticator app settings, find and tap sync time for codes. This quick fix often resolves code mismatch issues on the spot. Still not working? Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Moneyfarm app. This clears cache, data and forces the app to reconnect securely to Moneyfarm's servers. Once reinstalled, re-enable two-factor authentication using your preferred method. And if you've lost access to your authenticator or changed your device, tap Can't Access Two-Factor to begin Moneyfarm's recovery process. Once these steps are complete, your two-factor authentication should start working again. It's a small security step, but one that makes a big difference in keeping your portfolio and personal data protected. Always double-check your settings before assuming it's an app bug. Most of the time, it's just a quick fix away.